Hi everybody, this is Santos from BMW of Myrtle Beach. We're not going to find a dipstick under the hood, but let's start out by looking at what is there. You'll find some familiar things here: the coolant reservoir, the filler cap for our oil. We can see the reservoir for our windshield washer fluid, but we won't find a dipstick. So how do we go about checking our oil level? We'll get in the car and show you how that's done. Okay, let's find out how to check our oil level from inside the car, focusing on our infotainment center here. We'll start from the home screen, click on car, then click on vehicle status. And from here you'll see one of our options is to check the engine oil level. Let's click on that. It is telling us that the engine oil level happens to be okay, but we're going to want to measure it anyway, so click on engine oil measurement. And you can read here that you need to have the car warmed up, it needs to be in park or neutral, and also it needs to be at a level ground. So let's go ahead and click start measurement, and it's going to go through a process here. Once it's gone through its process, it does let us know what it's found. In our case here, our oil level is okay, and it shows us we are at maximum. Thank you for watching our video today. Please submit any comments or questions below. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we'd love to see you here at our dealership, BMW of Myrtle Beach.